Alright, today in Packet Tracer, we're going to be going through the Cisco iOS show commands, and it's just showing us different information um, about the Cisco equipment. And the show commands on the router, um, that's what we're going to be looking at, but we're going to have to go to our PC and go through our terminal again like we did last time. We're going to have to do that first. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into user exec mode, and so we go to ISP router, and then type enable, and with that pound sign that shows you that we're in user exec mode. And then we're just going to go through the different show commands. So we'll start with the show ARP. That's your routing protocol. And it gives you your basically your address and hardware address type, ARPA, and your interface, which is your port being used, which is fast Ethernet 00. We'll do our show flash, and that's going to show your flash memory. And as you can see here, you have 1,300,000, no, that's 13 million bytes used. 18,000, oh, 180, how is that? 18,000, yeah, 18 million available, which that's 13 megabytes, and there's 18 megabytes. 32 total. And then, so your total is 32 768 kilobytes of processor board system, flash system. And we'll go show IP route. And as you can see, your gateway of last resort isn't set, but you have one subnet. And so there's only one address that is subnetted, and that's your 00. So that means, where's that at? And that's your 209.168.201, and you can tell by going here and rolling over that to tell you that that's your fast Ethernet 00, and that's the only one that is subnetted. Okay. Show interface. And it tells you that your fast Ethernet is up. Tells you everything that's not set or what's not up. And it tells you basically 5 minutes output rate. It's telling you your input output rate of your packets. You haven't done any of that, so it's all reading zeros. Prompting you for more. So I just typed R, so we can go back to our ISP router, go back to our configuration. We'll go show protocols, and it shows you that your global value is the your internet protocol routing is actually enabled. Fast Ethernet is up, and it goes through, gives you more. See, it's showing you that your 00 is up, which we already knew that. And it just keeps going through the rest of your ports to see if they are enabled, which the rest of them are down. Go show users. And right now it's showing there's 0 users and 0 idle time, but that's why the idle time is 0. There's no users or hosts. So, and then we'll go show version. So this gives you your site, basically your Cisco site. That's going to be your assistance, and it's just giving you the version. Just gives you a version of your 1841 router, and you know, your IE 802.3 low speed. So it's just telling you all basically what would be compatible and what you need compatible with this router. So it's just basically it gives you your information, and you see your flash memory. It also gives you that again, and your non-volatile RAM here, which is for your BIOS to start it up. So that's all your show commands.